I will show you make a dramatic shadow design. With 1920 height 1080 resolution 300. Background color is black. Select text tool and type S. Size 120%. Now bring the text to the middle. Upper layers. Select text, hold Ctrl plus J to make a 5 copies. Select first copy, double click on text, and type H. Click second layer, double click on text, and type A. Now, in the same way, change the all ladder, like SHADOW shadow, and adjust all text. Open layers. Select first text layer, and click mask layer. Select gradient tool. Copy settings. Opacity 100%. Select second layer, and click mask. Now apply the same method to all texts. And adjust all text. Open layers. Select all layers. Hold Ctrl plus G to make a file. Hold Ctrl plus J to make copy. Hold Ctrl plus T. Right-click and select. Flip vertical. Drag. Open layers. Select copy file. Opacity 20%. Select gradient tool. Select copy layer and click mask. Now draw the line from bottom to top. Complete design. Thanks for watching.